Thank you for choosing Big D Party Rentals for your dance floor needs. Our dance floors are easy to assemble and no tools are required. Please note that our dance floors should be installed on a hard, flat surface. If installing outside on grass, a subfloor would be required. The dance floor comes in pre-assembled 3-foot by 3-foot panels. To get started, lay your first panel in any corner. The loops should be pointed in the direction you would like to add panels. The panels have 2 male lug sides and 2 female loop sides. Place the next panel so that the lugs line up over the loops. You will hear and feel it snap into place. That's all there is to it. As long as you remember to always keep the loops in the same direction as the first panel, the process is foolproof. Start in a corner, do a row, then continue 1 row at a time. Once finished, you can add the beveled trim pieces. Then also have male lugs or female loops and connect just like the dance floor panels. You will have 4 trim pieces with an integrated corner. Dance floor trim pieces will connect to all 4 sides of the dance floor. The 12 by 12 dance floor was installed in just under 10 minutes. If you have any questions about installing your dance floor, please reach out to us at 214-239-3054 during business hours. If calling after hours, please call our 24-hour emergency hotline at 214-210-0179 and we'll be happy to provide assistance. When disassembling the dance floor, start in the corner where your install finished and remove into 3-foot by 3-foot panels. Please do not break into 1-foot by 1-foot individual squares. Thank you again for choosing Big D Party Rentals for your event rental needs. We sincerely appreciate your business.